Okay, I'm recording.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Just don't hit the fucking blue truck. Crazy bastard. Coming back, coming back.
Something so quiet with factory exhaust.
Is that factory exhaust?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it is muffled. It sounds like it's muffled. I mean, it's like
Well,
the snow's on.
the snow.
The snow's buried in the snow.